announce Student of the Year competition for 8th and 9th standard children of Thane city.
Oh no, another boring essay and education kind of competition.
Our focus was that it should be an exciting and not a run-of-the-mill competition. Students should be given chance to demonstrate their talent beyond textbooks, and that's how the real student would emerge out. The competition is designed to create opportunity for students to showcase their talent beyond academics, aimed at their all-round development and to prepare them to face challenges ahead in their work and personal lives. Student of the Year is one more initiative of Indradhanu as a part of our social responsibilities demonstrated through various social, cultural, and educational programs organized over 28 years. Thane's very own Jignasa Trust helped in contacting schools across Thane.
I enrolled with a very low excitement. Gave essay round which I felt was not promising. But when I stood for education round, I said, "Oh God, help me, this is an extempore round. I have to pick 2 subjects, select one there and there, and prepare for it in 3 minutes to deliver my thoughts. Oh, but when I finished, I realized, yes, I can do it." All these years, my confidence was built with injections of pre-planned subjects. But this extempore elocution was amazing. I was excited to know that I am a part of select band of 100 shortlisted students out of a total 750 who had registered. It also instilled a sense of self-confidence.
The extempore has ignited students and they are now geared up for the next. Let's make it grand by giving them freedom of choice for art performance. Let them perform any art form. Let the best doom out.
I started looking forward to the next round. The art performance round was very amazing. It was something beyond music and dance. There were my friends performing like never before. A friend wrote a story and delivered it on the stage. Another performed with a monologue. Few were drawing, few were doing calligraphy, one was doing origami, music, dance, instrumental. I could see a river of creativity streaming in tandem. Judges were all experts in their respective fields. They also guided us for improving our performances. And then came the adventure sports round. Oh my god, that was a lifetime and never before experience. All new games, all new activities. I did rock climbing for the first time, and I tell you, I did not know that I can climb so high. I realized my potential that day. I started finding new me hidden inside me. I started walking tall. Some team building activities also taught me I can't be myself all the time. There is a big power in togetherness. This day taught me a lot, made me think over values of life. I thanked Indradhanu that day, but wait, there was something more in store. The very next round was group discussion, another first in life experience for almost all of us. Group discussion round put me on a different planet altogether. I can have my own thoughts and I can share, contradict, put forward my feelings was like an open platform for me. I can address and I can express was a new finding about myself. Winning or losing never cropped up in my mind all these days. For me, I have captured many winning moments which would surely light up my future and has added another dimension to my understanding of life and living. The concluding event was a short 20 minutes interview round conducted in a corporate business setting. It was thoughtfully designed to give us glimpses in the process of interview. Although some of us were initially tensed, the panelists quickly put us at ease through very friendly conversation, allowing us to express freely about our thoughts, strengths, weaknesses, doubts, and provided us useful tips on how we can improvise on our strengths and overcome the weaknesses. It was a very good learning experience.
म्हणजे एवढी कल्पना नव्हती की एवढ्या मोठ्या प्रमाणात असेल ती, कंडक्ट केली जाईल. खूप छान एक्सपिरियन्स होता.
To give such a wonderful experience, and not only in the studies, that's the main thing. Like along with the studies, he has to be very good in sports, in all other activities. That made child also this cooperation very interesting.
मी मनोज रानडे आता पाल्य आजिया स्पर्धेत सहभागी झाला होता. काय आणि नुसतं अभ्यास म्हणजेच सगळं आहे असं नाही, किंवा मार्क 90%, 94%, 96% हे नाही आहेत. म्हणजे सर्वांगीण विकास मानवाचा, त्या विद्यार्थ्याचा हे घडावं हे आपण सांगून दिलं, त्यांना जाणवून दिलं. पालकांची आता तयारी झाली की आपण अरे बापरे हे बरंच गोष्टी आहेत आपल्याला, आणि नुसतं आपला मुलगा 91% पडले का 92% पडले हे असं नसून इतरही क्षेत्रात तो विकास झाला पाहिजे त्याचा, ही त्यांना जाणीव झाली.
वैभव वडके, फादर ऑफ गुंजन वडके. एक वेगळा एक्सपिरियन्स मिळाला मुलीला. एक सांस्कृतिक, शैक्षणिक, त्या व्यतिरिक्त आउटडोअर गेम्स वगैरे, आणि हे शाळेमध्ये मिळत तरी चांगला तुम्ही उपक्रम राबवलेला आहे. सो ऑल दी बेस्ट फॉर.
Indradhanu I would like to thank Indradhanu for creating such a platform where the student can explore themselves in all the areas of aspect, not only on the studies, but also they can explore in their culture, kala, and all those aspects like professional requirement in the companies and all. Really good. I would like to thank Indradhanu for organizing such, for them the opportunity to explore themselves, understand their insight, where they can grow in that aspect. एक सेल्फ इनिशिएटिव्ह जो प्रकार आहे, तो सेल्फ इनिशिएटिव्ह प्रकार इथे भरपूर डेव्हलप झाला जो नसतो. पालक विल बी व्हेरी हॅपी, कारण आता सगळे पालक त्या डायरेक्टमध्ये विचार करायला लागले, इन्क्लुडिंग आम्ही वगैरे सगळेजण विचार करायला लागले की हां हे खरंच आमच्या मुलांना हेल्प करते पुढे जाऊन, तर डेफिनेटली विल.
For Indradhanu, the Student of the Year competition was a very satisfying and overwhelming experience by connecting with the youth who would be shaping our tomorrow. The co-organizer of the event, Mr. Sanjay Waghule, participating school managements, dignified judges, the volunteers, all have contributed in their own way to make this event a grand success. It has also inspired us to build further on these gains through the learning and takeaways.
With all the ifs and buts of my past, the Student of the Year competition has made me realize one thing. Let any hurdle come my way, my mind is set to face the challenges. And the motto of my life now is I can.